Garlic. On my teeth? Yeah, it sounds insane, but some people swear it whitens your smile naturally. In just a week. I saw blog posts, viral TikToks, even dentist reaction videos. So I decided to test it myself. 7 days. No filters, no gimmicks, just raw garlic. And well, my face, let's see what really happened. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, known to kill bacteria and reduce inflammation. In theory, it could fight plaque, bad breath, and yellow stains. Some say it's the secret to a naturally whiter smile, but there's barely any real research. So, I volunteered as tribute. Day 1. I crushed a garlic clove, mixed it with a bit of coconut oil, and rubbed it directly on my teeth. Within seconds, my mouth was on fire. It stung. It smelled. My cat literally left the room, but I powered through it. All for science, or stupidity. Day 2, my gums felt sore. I started Googling, can garlic melt enamel? Not a good sign. But on day 3, I saw something. Under bright light, my front teeth looked shinier. Maybe it was working. Or maybe I was just desperate for results. So I adjusted the method. Just once a day, and then I'd follow up with warm saltwater rinses. By day 5, the plaque near my gums was, noticeably reduced. And weirdly enough, my breath was fresher in the mornings. No, I definitely didn't look like a toothpaste model yet, but my teeth, they felt clean, naturally clean. Okay, let's get serious for a second. Garlic is acidic and kinda abrasive. If you overdo it, it can irritate your gums or even damage your enamel. And if you've got sensitive teeth, honestly, this hack might totally backfire. Oh, and don't try this before a date, unless, they really love garlic bread. So, would I actually recommend it? If you're curious, maybe try it once or twice a week and definitely be gentle. It's cheap, it's natural, but, it's not a miracle. Garlic might help, but it's not gonna replace your toothbrush. Want more weird but real dental experiments? I test trending tricks so you don't have to. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and check out my playlist, Teeth Whitening at Home. Your smile totally deserves the truth.